Guys, remember, as long as we stick together, there is no jungle we can't conquer.
And by jungle, you mean the actual jungle, right? Because I have a new plan today.
Joy, every time you say new plan, I feel like we are in for a long day.
Long day? You mean a day of adventure, right? I am in.